Hello, my name is Krishan, pursuing B.Tech from Vivekananda Institute of Technology, Jaipur. My paper title is A Study Report on the Utilization of Green Energy in Smart Highway in Future Time. Paper ID IJEAS0706004.
Study report on the utilization of green energy in smart highways in future times. Abstract. Nowadays, the globalized world, highway is the means to join countries, cities, towns, etc. In recent years, all the old technologies change into new technology like fridge, TV, washing machine, cooler, etc. So that all the things are changed but highways are not changed. The smart highway is the concept to make highways roads smarter, safer and more energy efficient for generating electricity using solar energy, vibration energy, wind energy, for charging the vehicles using these energies for lighting and for monitoring the conditions of the road. The vehicles moving on road generates large amount of additional energy in form of vibration that is completely wasted. They produce greenhouse gases which ultimately leads to global warming and depletes ozone layer. So there is a need to make some revolutionary changes in concept of highways. We can use the vibration energy produced by vehicles that is converted into electricity. Similarly, by using different techniques, wind energy, solar energy and other types of green energies produced on highway are also converted into electricity. So in this paper, we are trying to throw some light on techniques of utilizing green energy on highway in fruitful manner. Introduction. Highway, from the name it is very clear that any public street or other public path on land. It is mainly used for major roads but also includes public ways and public routes. Indian road network of 33 lakh km is second largest in world, consists of the road network but carry about 40% of total road traffic. Here in table 1 there is shown Indian road network lengths. In expressways it is 200 km, in national highways 96,265.72 km, in state highways 1,31,699 km, in major district highways 4,67,793 km, and in rural and other roads 26,50,500 km, and the total is 33 lakhs km. Now we discuss what is a smart highway. Smart highway is the concept to make highway routes smarter, safer and more energy efficient for generating electricity using solar energy, vibration energy, wind energy, for charging the vehicles using these energies, for lighting and for monitoring conditions of the road. Now what is green energy? The word green makes our mind to think that a world without pollution and eco-friendly. So the green energy reflects the idea about generation of energy from natural resources like sunlight, wind, rain, tides, plants, algae, geothermal heat, etc. having number or less impact on the environment and can be renewed. These energy resources are renewable, meaningful, they are naturally replenished. Now here are some smart technology used on highways. Green energy like solar energy, vibration energy, wind energy can be converted into electricity, and then we can use this electricity in many applications on highway, such as for charging the vehicles using this energy, for lighting and for monitoring the conditions of the road, etc. Vibration produced by vehicles can be converted into electricity and further can be used for charging the electricity cars or for lighting the street lights, or can be stored in charge storing devices. This is abundant amount of free space available between lanes in both right and left side of the lanes, which can be utilized by placing windmills and solar plates. Solar energy. The solar energy is an uninterrupted, renewable and clean source available for the entire nation at least for a few hours. Solar power is available from 9 am to 6 pm during the day hours. We can use this energy on highways. Solar energy can be utilized in three ways. First, by converting it into thermal energy. Second, by converting it into electrical energy. Third, by photosynthesis. Sun can be used to produce thermal energy using solar collector. In solar photovoltaic system, electricity is directly generated from solar energy. Its working is based on the principle of photoelectric effect. Wind energy. Wind energy is one of the oldest sources of energy used by mankind. Wind represents the kinetic energy of the atmosphere, which is caused by a force developed due to difference in atmospheric pressure. The energy which is generated by the flow of wind using wind turbines is called the wind energy. It is a renewable source of energy which can be used as alternative to fossil fuels. Wind energy is clean energy which does not create pollution or release any harmful gases, that is greenhouse gases. Working of wind energy at highway, there is availability of wind by the energy at highways. There is when a free moving air particle which disturbed by forceful object succeeding its path, a pressure is developed at body of object. Now the advantage of smart road technologies. The solar power system is especially useful in hilly areas where this system is currently deployed. It is simple and effective concept of alerting the drivers with sound and honks that they are familiar with. The system is an innovative application of lot of IoT to road safety to save lives. The use of K-band ensures that there is minimal interference and the best signal to noise radio is ensured. Future scope. Roads now no longer remain as medium to travel from one place to another. We can now use it to charge electric vehicles and harness solar energy due to its large exposed surface area. There is also technology to keep portions of the road well lit with more energy efficient and environment friendly technology and methods. Hopefully, there will be more upcoming technologies to make our roads smarter and safer to travel on. A smart highway is the need of present time because a lot of energy is required to illuminate the highway. At night, we can use green energy and other supportive technologies like 5G, IoT, cloud computing for faster data communication and rapid action taking as and when demanded. Altogether, there is a lot of scope of highways especially to be converted into smart highways. Conclusion. Mankind has started its journey to cover long distance by foot. Slowly they invented wheels and they give mankind the speed and power to shorten the long distances. The travel time was cut down to days, months, from months to year. After the inventing the wheels, the second best idea was to develop roads on which the vehicles can travel easily. As the advancement of time, we have fast moving vehicles all over the world and world class highways to ride on it. Now there is a need to make the highway a smart highway. A smart highway is the need of present time because lot of energy is required to illuminate the highway at night. We can use green energy and other supportive technologies. Here are the references and author details. Thank you.